What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Day one of SEMA. We got so much stuff to go around and we're starting the day off at the Maguire's booth. Now, we had a little problem with flights. Our flight got delayed for a bit. So it's around like 1 o'clock right now. I'm gonna try and walk around and cover as much as I can. But first thing we gotta do is gonna be right here.
What's up, man? Is it cool if I vlog with you?
Hey, do I know you?
I don't know if you remember me.
Well,
you messaged me like a year ago.
The fact that I am saying this, I know you from TikTok. Do I know you from TikTok?
Yeah.
The GTR.
Yes.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
It's all painted now.
Yes.
Fucking looks good, dude.
Oh, you saw it?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Oh, okay.
I follow you on TikTok.
Okay.
Wait, you didn't think I'd remember? Dude, I remember.
3 years ago, I think, when I met you.
Really?
When you had your R35.
Okay.
That was when you had your Pastor JDM. You were at Spokane in Hawaii.
Yeah, that's right.
And then I asked you how you liked it, and you're like, fuck it, send it. And I got the same exhaust.
Really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Do you like it? You have the downpipes and everything,
Everything.
right? Okay. So
yeah.
it sounds like if you do an exhaust on R35 and you have the cats in, it really doesn't do much. But when you take the cats out, you think rips.
Yeah, no, it's straight pipe all the way.
Sweet, dude.
Yeah.
Man. Yeah,
Dude, you're like a freaking god.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you. I see your TikToks. I like your car a lot.
Yeah, thanks.
It looks
man.
good.
You gotta come to Hawaii though. Oh shit.
Ooh, you're good. Dude, I will be there. I was just there.
Yeah, I saw you on Big Island.
I was just in Maui. We did like a little
Maui.
secret trip. Went there just like off vlog and just had a little trip.
Yeah.
I think me and Spirit are gonna come back out in like December for a little bit to the Big Island. Just get away a little bit. So I'll be out there soon. Damn. It looks good, dude.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
I just gotta get rid of that front license plate, but
How is it in Hawaii? Are they like really like strict about it?
super strict.
Yeah.
That's why I kept it on for now. But when I do it in shows and stuff, I'm gonna get rid of it.
Dude, congrats, man. It's glad to see it all together. I remember when you were like, people were like, oh, you're never gonna finish. Yeah, people talk all this shit and you were I'm like,
okay.
You're gonna
I was like, oh shit, this guy actually follows my shit.
Yeah, dude, well, it's a clean bill. And I'm a big fan of like Hawaii. Like that's like, when I die, I'm dying there. Like that's like my fucking home. I grew up there. So when I saw that, I was like, I always am interested when I see people with like exquisite builds, like real builds, like full on type of shit. In Hawaii, because you just don't see it out there. So it's like a weird subgenre I really like.
Oh, because of doing the wide body, that's when I started doing the channel.
Yeah,
man.
That's a great place
so
to start.
It's a grind, dude.
Yeah, man.
I've been trying to like at least 1 video or 2 videos a week.
I was gonna say like, if you can, like 3 is like, is where like that's like what I'll do minimum.
Yeah.
And that's like, oh, I'm not doing enough type of thing. Like it's tough, but like just depending on how much commitment you want to have, like the more the better.
I've like fallen in love with the grind.
I mean, that's how
I work
it is.
at night, so daytime it's like
the daily vlogs. It's like I hate it, but I fucking love it.
Yeah.
It's terrible for my health. It's terrible for me mentally, but I love showing the day-by-day process. People seeing it. It's like you fall in love with like the grind.
Yeah.
It's not a healthy grind, not a healthy one to be in love with, but like.
I'm up like 3-4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah,
after
but
work
it's like
it's
just no other feeling. I'm just like. I don't know. You know how it is.
Yeah.
But dude, nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
Glad to see you again. Hey, what's up, guys? It's TJ. If you guys want to follow the best build on Oahu, the best GTR out in the Hawaiian Islands, subscribe to Lance's YouTube channel, follow his Instagram account, and his TikTok. Buy our TikTok content.
Yes, sir.
I just have one question.
What's up, man?
Do you miss the wide body BMW?
I miss her a lot.
Oh, okay.
It's tough. I mean, like, because I always was only gonna have it for a year. And, like, It just took so long to build. Like, no one's fault, but like when the project time is up, it's up.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean I didn't love it. Oh, that's such a great car, man.
All right, before we leave
The Maguire's booth, just a quick look at throttles, throwback, new age-ish Eclipse. This thing is freaking nuts, guys. Like just all the details of this car, it's so crazy. Like look at that, unfreaking believable. Oh, what's up, Mickey?
How's it going, bro?
Good.
We've never met. What's your name?
I'm Lance.
Hi, Lance. Nice to meet you. From Hawaii.
Yeah.
One of my favorite places on earth.
Yeah, I was telling TJ,
Yeah, I just finished my wide body GTR build.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
GTR. So R35.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cut it up
Right
in
on.
my garage, everything.
Hey, my man. All right.
So
That's sick.
I watch all of you guys' stuff, man. You, TJ, Dustin, all
Thank
you
you so
guys.
much, man.
You guys are like the inspo for real.
That's great to hear, bro. That's what we do this for. Well, we do it to build cool cars, but if we inspire people, that's great too, man.
Now that's why I picked up the camera.
Really?
Yeah, no, like I've been doing it for like a year.
Okay.
So the channel's like super small, couple thousand.
That's cool. What is the channel?
Lance GTC.
Okay, sweet. I'll check it out. Lance GTC.
Yeah.
I love it.
Just ask, if you ever forget, just ask TJ who's the guy from Hawaii with the GTR.
All right. I'll remember. Don't worry.
Yeah.
My brain's not that bad.
I know. So like when he had his GTR, and then Dustin has GTRs, and then now you guys have the R35. This is CBA too. That's why.
Yeah.
I was like, perfect, because I have a CBA.
And I just bought an R32.
Yeah, the white one.
Yeah.
So I was just
having
like,
fun with that thing. It's a great car.
I'm thinking of, so I have a 370Z Nismo, but someone on the island is trying to get rid of their GTR. But I can't decide whether it's a GTR or I'll pick up my friend's NSX.
Ooh.
That's a hard one.
What GTR?
R32.
Okay. Take the R32.
In place of the NSX?
Yes. I've driven both. I've enjoyed both at length.
Yeah.
And the NSX, from a look standpoint, you get more looks in the NSX.
Yeah.
But I think the GTR overall is a better
More
vehicle,
car?
like a driver's car. Yeah.
Oh,
The NSX is very cool and unique in its own way. But for me, like, we got the most looks driving that thing.
Yeah.
Like, I drive my R32 around, nobody even looks at it. But from a, like, it puts more smiles on my face as driving the GTR than it did the NSX.
Damn, now you got me thinking. And it's a white one too, someone's selling.
Oh, white NSX?
Oh no, white
GTR.
GTR.
Oh, yeah.
White
GTR.
R32. Jeez, look at this quick jack boot, man. Oh my god. Imagine if we have this one day. That's the dream right there. I have no idea what this is, but body made out of chain, guys. Look at how fat this freaking Snell is. All right, gotta show some love to these center lock Advent GTs. You guys already know I love this wheel. These are my favorite wheels of all time, and this is my first time seeing it in a center lock, and this just looks so good. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this see-through hood, this is like some next level Honda stuff right there, guys. I'm like beyond amazed by all these freaking builds, man. I'm telling you, one day we're gonna get there. Not quite there yet, but we're gonna get there. I love that license plate, man. Got the buns out with this Trans Am next to it and this R8. This is, oh, look at that. Red, yellow, blue. Shout out to the Philippines. All right, you guys are coming with me on this one. I spotted this from a mile away. I mean, we'll get back to this one, but oh my God. This is the one, guys. This is the one. Midnight Purple R freaking 34. Oh my God, this is the first time I've seen this car in person, and it's freaking beautiful, guys. That purple and that shift with that like greenish undertone. Fuck, bro. This is the one, guys. Other than Bayside Blue, this is the one right here. RWB, the first ever RWB build that I can see in person. You guys have no idea how much Nakai-san is like a big inspiration of mine. I know some guys think he just like hacks cars and just tears them up, but there's like beauty in like all of that madness. And this is a freaking beauty right here, other than her, of course, but then this car is a beauty as well. And those seams, man, the way he just runs his finger along these seams, these look like it's an actual weather stripping, but it's just caulking. Gosh, guys, this is probably one of the most craziest wide body GTRs that I know. Beautiful wrap, sick wheels, purple on the right, red on the left, forged carbon, everything. Holy crap, guys. This is so much better in person. I think the guy's name is Corey. Shout out to Corey. Beautiful build, bro. If I'm not mistaken, this is the Vader kit where you can convert a G into a supercar, so to say. Dang, bro, this Another red is so sick. And BBS wheels too. Wide body AMG, bro. This thing is so wide. Check this pink out right here, guys. Oh, with a clear top too. Literally straight down from the top. Fishbowl action, but this pink, it's freaking clean, dude. Wide body GTR R35 Liberty Walk silhouette on gold Savinis. I don't think the camera's gonna do any justice because of the fact that it's under the shade, but this purple, guys, this purple is freaking insane, dude. With the gold wheels, oh brah, this thing is extra wide. But just look at how thick that is. And literally this is all wide open. All you just see is straight tire. Now if the earth was to ever turn inside out, this is the one right here, guys. This will get you anywhere with a little camper up top. That's freaking sick, dude. And of course, from the Pacific Northwest, B is for builds. I think they call it the Jump-A-Can, but this is so, wow. Like all the work that they had to put into this car and just custom fabbing a lot of this stuff. Shout out to those guys, man. Like, this is just a freaking crazy build. I wouldn't even want to guess how much everything under this truck costs, but I'm pretty sure it costs just as much as the truck itself. Is that a Supra? Oh my, and it's a right-hand drive with purple carbon interior. That contrast of purple to that like graphite gray. This is so hella clean, bro. I think this is the only McLaren I've seen so far, but purple and orange, I like that. This looks good. Somebody's laughing in the back. I don't know why. Now when I look at Bombers, these have a very special place in my heart. It's just like, no matter what you do to any of these type of builds, whether you do like a crazy turbo resto mod or like a junkyard mod, Bombers is one of those cars where you just do whatever you want to it and it'll just look so freaking clean, bro. What in the world is this, bro? This is giving me like Alex Choi Lambo vibes, but this is a freaking slingshot with a Whipple supercharge. Oh my god, bro. If this is street legal, that's so dope. Well, day one's done. This portion was all taken care of, and tomorrow we're gonna go all the way down there. Well, and we're back. We just got back from dinner. We had dinner at Bacchanal. I'm super tired. I'm probably running about 48 hours now, no sleep, because I couldn't sleep on the plane and we had a delay, and I just had so much fun today. But I'm working on cranking it out already for day one of SEMA right now for you guys. So I'm trying to crank this out as soon as possible. Hopefully I get it out by tomorrow. So today we was able to check out one side. Tomorrow we're going to check out the other side. So there was Ford out front, and on the other side we're going to check out the Hoonigan Burnyard and whatever's down on that side, and whatever festivities or if there's any other like new stuff going on. I know there's other meet and greets. SEMA day 2 coming tomorrow. If you guys haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, drop a like for today's video, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog. So with that being said, remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.